Hi guys, welcome to QWOP Education. This is the third video of our free SEO series. Before starting, I would like to thank you all of them who are supporting us and for their love and support. So from here we are going to start the first phase of search engine optimization. So don't skip the video, and for more you can also subscribe our channel and please press the like button. Let's begin. In the last class, we have discussed about understanding the client's requirements, keyword research and analysis, website audit and analysis, search engine optimization, on-page optimization, off-page optimization. And in this class, we will see about on-page optimization in details. So, first of all, we will see how to do SEO on-page. The second thing that comes under SEO on-page is crawling your website to Google. Then we will see SEO auditing and making your website SEO friendly, making sure that keyword is in your URL, include your keyword throughout your page. After that, we will see what is the crawling of a website. So, crawling of a website basically is a process in which the websites are fetched or are submitted to the particular search engine you are going to use. The definition is website crawling is a software process in which the web pages are automatically fetched and indexed to use them in SEO. So the purpose of indexing is to give our all the contents to the search engine so that the search engine have a basic idea about our website and what is our business. In this, we will also see that the crawler analyzes the content of page, as I was saying, that it will totally scan our page and see what are all the details, and it will fetch all the information that are required for the SEO. So next we will see crawling a website. As we all know, we especially use Google at many places. So here in this video, we will see how to crawl a website to the Google page using Google Search Console. So you can simply type Google Search Console in the Google, and let's go to my computer screen and see how it happens. So if I type here Google Search Console, the first and go to the first link. This is the Google Search Console page, and this is where you you have to submit your URL. So in order to see this, first of all I will submit my company's URL. This is our company QWOP Education's URL, and I will paste here. I have to download this particular file, this HTML file, and paste it in my home page so that it will verify my ownership. So this is not completed, and in next videos I will show after which this is completed. So I have to submit here my website, my domain here, and my website's URL here in order to complete SEO. We will see how a completed site looks like. So here I have taken another site. I will just copy its URL and paste it in the Google Search Console page. Remember, you must fix the URL in the URL prefix side, not in the domain side. So I will just press the continue button. So it shows that ownership auto verified. That means this site has been already submitted to the Google Search Console, and the owner have also submitted this site to the SEO developer, so that he is using this site for SEO. Next, I I want to discuss some rules for this. The first rule is the same mail ID you have created for this for your website have to use the same mail ID for checking your verification. Otherwise, it will show that it is not verified. Suppose I will let me press the down. So suppose I will again search here Google start now. You can see here this mail ID and I have here this mail ID are different. So in this different mail ID, if I will paste this link and press verify, this will show that ownership verification failed because this mail ID and this mail ID are different. The next thing we will see is what is SEO audit and making your site or your website SEO friendly. So here I have given an image so that it will make your mind clear that what is basically SEO audit includes. So SEO audit includes first of all keyword research, building links, sitemap optimization, software development, web designing, feedback of customers, strategy, social networking, content, then traffic monitoring, then the ranking of your website, then your website optimization. So from this, we have already completed keyword research and keyword research, and we have also completed the software development and web design, which may be the work of developer, but we in this we have also completed as our website is complete now and we are doing SEO. So step by step we will see all the link buildings, sitemap optimization, we will see in the coming classes, feedbacks, all these things. And next we will see that how to include your keyword throughout your page URL. So after finalizing the keywords, they must be placed in your web page. Suppose my company is a book selling company. So my website must have book selling near me like keywords. For example, I can also say that if somebody tries to search for book, my company website will appear in the first, and the keywords that is provided is book selling. So I must take a keyword if possible. Bookselling.com is the URL and the keyword is book selling. So next we can also say that we must look for less number of keywords with maximum results. As I said, we don't need a lot of keywords. We have to point out the main keywords which will give us a lot more of traffics and a lot more of people will visit our website. We must ensure that keywords are present in the URL. As I said you, if I have a book selling website, so that my website must contain bookselling.com as my URL, so that it will help the visitors to visit and clearly have a knowledge about my business or my website. After that, we will see selecting the web pages for SEO. So here are some basic knowledge I want to give you at this time, that we can't we can't do SEO for total website. As you know, website is a collection of web pages. If my website are 50 pages, we can't do SEO for that. It will be most or more charging, or you can say it will be more lengthy process, and it will also charge many more money for your website SEO. Next, the thing is, first of all, we have to select the web pages which are going to be part of search engine optimization. Example, I can only select my home page, products page, etc., which are totally connected with my business. If I do SEO of a blog page, then no one will go to see my blog page, that what is what is written in the blog. So if we connect our SEO to the home page, they can visit our site and know about our business. Or products page will be very effective, that because it will directly redirect to our products page, in which we will have all our products in at a place. Next, we also cannot optimize the whole website because it will be more time consuming as well as more costly to optimize, as I said this before. We will see what we have studied today. The first thing we studied was what is crawling in SEO. The next thing is how to crawl your website to Google using Google Search Console. Some some points of SEO audit and making the website SEO friendly, including the keyword throughout your page URL and selecting the pages for SEO. So this is the end of the video, and thank you. You have watched it. For more information, you can contact us.